How to create a custom bootable recovery partition to restore Windows. Most factory recovery partitions restore outdated Windows versions, but they do so at the cost of a full system reset. So some users instead opt for a custom recovery partition that captures your current system setup and creates more up-to-date restore points. In this video, we'll outline how to create a custom recovery partition in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a recovery partition? A recovery partition stores system recovery files on the drive, enabling restoration without external media. While factory partitions reset Windows to its original state, removing updates, apps, and settings, custom recovery partitions retain your full system image, including drivers and configurations. Custom recovery partitions offer fast, centralized recovery without external media, and allow restoration to a tailored Windows state. However, they require adequate disk space and are vulnerable to drive failure if not backed up externally. How to create a custom recovery partition. Creating a custom recovery partition is a detailed process involving multiple steps, so we'll cover only the key concepts here. For full step-by-step instructions, refer to the complete guide on our blog. Prepare Windows for recovery image creation. Update Windows, clean unnecessary files with disk cleanup, and create a full system backup to reduce image size and safeguard against partitioning risks. Create a custom recovery image. Use Command Prompt and the DISM tool to capture the current system as a .wim image, then save it to another partition or external drive. Create a recovery partition. Use the disk part command line to create, format, and configure a new partition sized for the recovery image. Then move the .wim file into it, then set the partition as recovery. Configure Windows to recognize the recovery partition. Next, use the reagent command line to register the custom recovery image with Windows and confirm that the recovery environment is enabled and properly mapped. Test the recovery process. Boot into Windows recovery environment using Shift plus Restart and verify the custom recovery option is available in the boot menu. A custom recovery partition restores a known good Windows configuration without needing external drives or tools. It streamlines recovery by keeping everything local, allowing you to restore your system without worrying about losing your files. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to create a custom bootable recovery partition to restore Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.